abdominal march with a resistance band. You're going to begin with a resistance band around your legs. Start with your feet together. Again, checking in with your pelvis that we're in that neutral position. So taking that triangle with our hands, placing it right over, making sure that we're not tucked under with our pelvis and making sure that we're not rocked and arched through the low back. Come to where we have a natural curve in the low back, which means that our hands are parallel with the floor. You're going to maintain this neutral position as you inhale to prepare. Exhale to march one leg up into that 90-90 position. So 90 degrees at the hip, 90 degrees at the knee. This resistance band here is activating my hip flexor on my right side, while my stationary leg provides an anchor. While I lift this leg up, we want to be thoughtful that we don't rock side to side or that we feel our pelvis tuck under or arch. We want it to maintain that neutral position throughout. We're going to inhale at the top, exhale to connect our abdominals and our hip flexor to slowly control that foot back down to the mat. So again, you're going to inhale to prepare, exhale to connect, maintain that neutral spine as you flex that foot up, feeling that work happening right here in your hip crease. Inhale at the top, exhale to slowly lower back down with control, keeping the rest of your body silent throughout.